The 2025 Dacia Dokker Camper van motorhome continues to focus on delivering practical utility wrapped in a compact and approachable design. This model has been designed with adventure and efficiency in mind, targeting campers who prioritize usability, affordability, and reliability over luxury. From the outside, the van carries the familiar sturdy look of the Dokker range but adds subtle refinements for 2025. The front fascia features a refreshed grille with Dacia's latest logo design, surrounded by modern headlights with LED daytime running lights that enhance visibility and safety. The van's proportions are compact enough to easily navigate narrow city streets or winding countryside roads, while maintaining enough height and ground clearance for mild off-road detours leading to secluded camping spots or forest trails. The sliding side door and wide-opening rear doors ensure easy access to both the passenger area and camper module, which makes setting up camper loading gear effortless. Inside the cabin, the Dokker Camper van motorhome welcomes occupants with a durable and straightforward layout. The materials used throughout the cabin are chosen for their resilience and ease of cleaning, which is essential for outdoor enthusiasts who often track in dirt or sand from campsites. The driving position offers a commanding view of the road, and the controls are laid out in an intuitive manner, with physical buttons for major functions, making them easy to operate even with gloves on during colder adventures. The front seats are designed to be both supportive and comfortable for long drives, featuring simple yet firm cushioning that reduces fatigue on extended road trips. The rear section of the van has been smartly transformed into a flexible camper space. The core of the camper conversion is its modularity, allowing the space to shift between a mobile living area and a sleeping zone in just minutes. A foldable bed system has been fitted which neatly tucks away when not in use, revealing a seating or storage area. When unfolded, the bed provides a generous sleeping space for two adults, with sufficient width and length for restful nights. Beneath the bed are storage compartments that can hold camping gear, cooking supplies, and personal belongings, making efficient use of every inch of space. The kitchen module is compact but functional, including a portable gas stove, a sink with a hand pump water faucet, and a small fridge powered by the onboard electrical system. The cooking area is designed to be simple and accessible, catering to campers who enjoy preparing basic meals on the road. To further enhance practicality, the Dokker Camper van motorhome includes thoughtful details like removable table mounts, blackout curtains for privacy, and thermal insulation panels to regulate temperature inside the van during chilly nights or hot afternoons. Optional solar panels mounted on the roof allow for off-grid power generation, which can keep the fridge running or charge electronic devices. The camper van's dual battery setup ensures that the main vehicle battery is not drained by camping equipment, allowing campers to remain stationary for longer periods without worrying about starting the engine. On the performance front, the 2025 Dokker Camper van motorhome is equipped with a highly efficient 1.5-liter Blue DCI diesel engine that offers around 95 horsepower. Though this engine isn't meant for high-speed thrills, it delivers ample torque at low speeds, which is ideal for carrying the additional weight of the camper conversion and tackling hilly terrain or rough roads. Mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox, the van provides smooth gear shifts and allows drivers to make the most of the engine's efficiency. Fuel economy is one of the standout aspects of this model, with consumption figures averaging close to 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers, making it an attractive option for long-distance journeys where fuel stops are minimized. Driving dynamics are centered on comfort and predictability. The suspension has been upgraded slightly to accommodate the camper's extra weight without compromising ride comfort. While cornering ability is not the primary focus here, the van handles confidently and predictably on highways and country roads alike. The steering is light and responsive, making low-speed maneuvers in crowded areas or campsites easy, and visibility is excellent thanks to the large windshield and side mirrors. For safety, features such as ABS, electronic stability control, and hill start assist are standard, while optional rear parking sensors and a rear view camera further simplify parking in tight spaces. Affordability remains one of the most attractive elements of the Dokker Camper van motorhome. Compared to many larger, more luxurious camper vans on the market, this Dacia offers essential camping comforts at a fraction of the price, making it accessible to a wider audience including young couples, solo travelers, and retirees looking for a compact, budget-friendly solution. The low running costs, including cheap maintenance and fuel efficiency, make it an ideal companion for both occasional and frequent travelers. Its small size also allows it to be used as a daily driver when the camper features are not in use, eliminating the need to maintain a separate family car. The ability to customize the camper setup is another highlight. Buyers can choose from several pre-designed packages depending on how much equipment and storage they require. Some prefer the simple bed-only arrangement, while others may opt for the full kitchen and solar panel-equipped package for greater autonomy. Dacia and its camper conversion partners also offer add-on options such as roof tents, side awnings, and rear bike racks, which allow users to tailor the van for their specific adventure needs. All furniture is designed to be lightweight and removable, allowing the van to be reconfigured as needed, from a camper to a cargo hauler. Practicality remains at the heart of the Dokker Camper van motorhome experience. Heating and ventilation options are sufficient for most climates, and additional insulation kits can be purchased for winter camping. The cabin may lack some of the plush touches seen in more premium camper vans, but it delivers all the essentials with an honest and durable feel. For entertainment and connectivity, the van is equipped with an easy-to-use infotainment system that supports Bluetooth, USB, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and hands-free calling on the go. Ultimately, the 2025 Dacia Dokker Camper van motorhome is all about enabling freedom and adventure without unnecessary complexity or high costs. Its compact size, fuel efficiency, modular camper features, and rugged design make it an ideal choice for travelers seeking a straightforward, go-anywhere vehicle. Whether it's a weekend escape into nature or a longer road trip through diverse landscapes, the Dokker